What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Kenny. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be, we're putting new LED lights in the Trailblazer at a company called OXILAM. They reached out to me, and full disclosure, they sent me 3 LED light bulbs. We got 2 sets, high beam and low beam. So these are the P2 series. They are 36,000 lumens per set, so that's like 18,000 per bulb. And yeah, let's look at them here. Comes with some nice gloves, so you're not touching them. And this is what they look like. And they have a aviator aluminum casing, and they have a little I think it's 65,000 RPM cooling fan, and there's supposed to be 4 chips in there. So, and then all you do, it's got these little tabs, so installation's easy. You just press it in, twist it, and then plug in your harness. So I got the 9006, which are these, yeah, which is your low beam, and then the 9005s are my high beams. So I already got the hood up, taking a peek, seeing how hard it is going to be to change them. But I'll show you what they look like turned on first, which I took the relay out of the park lights, so I don't want you to have a misconception of how bright, because adding the park lights is going to make them brighter. So I'll turn them on and show you. Alright, so that's my low beam. See, no park lights, just low beam lights. Which I know it ain't doing it any justice being the daylight outside. I'll also do a nighttime comparison. So there's low beam. Now we'll do high beam. Okay, there's high beam, which, like I said, you really can't tell the brightness of them right now. Alright, so now we got a before. And I was looking at them. Gonna be a little challenge to get to. They got like caps, which I might be able to just pop those off with like a pry bar or a screwdriver or whatever. But on the passenger side, it's gonna be under all this stuff through here. So I don't know if I want to just take the whole light out or try to squeeze in there and get them. Because if I take the whole light out, where it's got this centerpiece, I'll have to snap the grill loose and then unbolt them. And then it's got these clips, and I'd have to pull the light out that way. So I haven't decided which way I'm going to approach it. But so let's get to it and get grimy. Alright guys, so I got the plugs or covers, caps off. They're just rubber. I just used a flat screwdriver and pried them out. So I'm going to approach this side this way. It's a whole different story over there. We'll see what happens. So now I'm going to show you how to install these on this side, at least for now. And then we'll figure that side out. So let me get you set up here. Okay, so this easiest one here is the high beam. It's a 9005. And we want to just twist. And unclip this. Just like that. So that's plugged in. Like that. And you can cap that. There's one. I know the angle ain't the best, but there's another low beam back here. Now I'm going to do it. Said I'm going to do the harness first. Make sure you plug in the tab where the clip is. You got to make sure you turn these the right way so the tabs will line up with the holes. And then you just twist and they'll lock in. Alright guys, so I got that side. If you noticed, I took all the air box out, which was just 2 screws here and there, and just slid this over. See, and now you can get in there easier. It's all right here, and then the other one's right here. So should have done that first, but yeah. So now it's the moment to try them out. See what we got here. This is low beam. Flip you guys around. Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention, these are the 6500K white instead of yellow. I still need to do something with my lenses. They're nasty, but I can tell the difference because they're bright white. So let's try the high beams. There's those. Like I said, they're bright white too. Yeah, these lenses definitely ain't helping. You can see they're oxidized real bad. I've been wanting to change them or clean them, polish them or something, but well, I'll insert when it's dark. Which, funny thing is, I didn't get a clip of the original light start, so now I got to do all this again to put the original ones back in to show you. But I'll do it just for you guys. And here they are. Alright guys, these are the original incandescent. Real yellow. Not very far, not very bright. Alright guys, these are the new ones. As you can tell, it's much brighter, much wider. You can see the sign and everything over there. Camera really ain't doing it justice at this angle, but definitely can tell that it's white and not yellow, and the distance. Now I forgot to do the high beam on the original incandescent bulbs, or hydrogen bulbs I mean, but this is what the new high beam looks like. You can even see way out in the sides and the field and everything, even way over here. So there it is. Alright guys, so there you have it. Make sure you check them out. OXILAM P2 series. Like I said, these were free for me, but if you use my code GrimeTimeGarage, you can get 20% off. So make sure you go down below in the description and click the link, check them out, find them for your ride. And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.